Ever felt stuck in banking purgatory? You know the drill. Endless paperwork, phone calls that leave you on hold for hours, and credit checks that make you feel like you're under a microscope. Trying to open a new bank account can be a real struggle, especially if you're on the move, self-employed, or just don't have the best credit history. But what if there was a better way? A way to open a new account completely online, in minutes, and with none of the traditional banking hassles? Well, folks, meet Monese. It's a mobile banking app that's shaking things up, and today we're diving deep into how quickly you can actually get started with a Monese account. Let's face it, nobody wants to spend hours navigating a complicated website just to open a bank account. So, how long does it really take to open a Monese account? Here's the good news: Monese boasts an instant account opening process. That means you could literally be up and running with a basic account in just a few minutes. All you need is your phone, a valid ID, and a stable internet connection. Here's a quick breakdown of the process. Download the Monese app. This is the first step, obviously. You can find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up. The sign-up process is designed to be super user-friendly. You'll enter your basic information like name, email address, and phone number. Verification. This is where things get interesting. Monese uses a cool feature called a video selfie to verify your identity. Basically, you'll record a short video of yourself following some on-screen prompts. It's a quick and secure way to prove you are who you say you are. Congratulations! Once you've completed the verification step, your Monese account is good to go. You'll have instant access to some of the core features, like managing your balance and making transfers. Now, it's important to remember that while your basic account is up and running instantly, there are a few additional steps to unlock all the features. For example, to get your physical debit card, you'll need to verify your address. This usually involves providing a utility bill or another official document. Verification typically takes a few days, but you can still use your account virtually while you wait for the card to arrive. Here's the bottom line: opening a Monese account is fast, convenient, and painless. If you're looking for a mobile banking option that cuts through the red tape and gets you started quickly, then Monese is definitely worth checking out. Of course, every financial situation is unique, so be sure to do your own research before making any decisions. But with its innovative approach and focus on user experience, Monese is making waves in the world of mobile banking. So, ditch the banking headaches and see if Monese can be the solution you've been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.